This is the story about last Sunday. The morning of 2nd August 2020. The clock read 6:30 and my phone rang. It was Service. Service called me to ask if I was able to join for a ride. So my name is Purvang Mandri. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is about a ride on a short notice. Roll the intro. 4 of us started our ride from Share Petrol Pump here in Akota. I was accompanied by the well-known Sarvesh Poddar on his Pulsar NS200, Rajat on his Triumph Street Triple RS, and a Datsun duo, MJ Sir and his son on his Triumph Thunderbird. We were heading to Vishal Khadi, located on the road connecting Rajpipla and Netrang. By the time we reached Kapurai Crossroad, or Kapurai Chokdi as we call it here, 3 more bikers joined us, making us 7 and later 8. Now we had a Yamaha R3, an old CBR, a Z1000 and a Ninja 1000 riding with us. Broad roads with divider later turned into narrow roads covered with tree canopy. And with pure understanding, our pack was divided into 2 groups. The fast bikes were riding ahead as they were fast, and we were at the back of our pack, riding at a comfortable pace. Later, the road became twisty and then turned into ghats, cutting the mountain range. The road on the ghat had traffic moving on both sides, so we had to stay a little cautious without letting the fun go. But it revealed the MotoGP rider within us, leaning our bikes confidently. Last year, I was riding on the same road, And I remember the roads were in such a bad condition that maintaining a good speed was near to impossible. Secondly, it was raining, which slowed us down even more. I made a video about that ride. If you want to see how that ride turned out to be, then click here. Yet this time, the roads were reconstructed and it was a sunny day with hints of clouds, making it a perfect ride day. It was almost 10 when we reached the entrance of Vishal Khadi. The road that lead to the actual side looked slushy and muddy, so I went down walking to see the condition of the road. Sarvesh later followed me on his bike.
सस्ता टाइगर
Turned out it was an off-road patch with stones and puddles of mud, making us reconsider the thought of riding up bikes in Vishal Khadi. It was easy for three of us to ride our small bikes on that off-road patch, but we had five bigger bikes with soft compound tires. So instead of taking that risk, we decided to stay on the road. While we were there, we clicked some photos and videos of our bikes. Had a nice gala time and recharged our batteries. But we had to turn around and head back home. From here, the roads were same, but in reverse order. First the ghats, then the canopy, and lastly, the broad road. I reached home by 1:30 pm, clocking 211 kilometers in 6 hours. On a serious note, when the ride started, I only knew two guys out of the whole crew, but by the end of the ride, I was acquainted by 6 others. With our differences apart, our passion for bikes and riding brought us together. So that's it for today's video. Leave your queries and suggestions in the comment section below. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video or hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. Finally, wear your helmets while riding, seat belts while driving. This is Purang Madri signing off. See you on next Thursday at 7:30 pm. Peace.